Welcome back to Daily Drives, the channel where we explore the most powerful, futuristic, and unbelievable machines shaping the world of tomorrow. If you love next-generation vehicles, heavy equipment, and engineering that feels straight out of the future, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into one of the most impressive railroad machines ever imagined, the Liebherr RE 25M Litronic Railroad, redesigned for 2026. The Liebherr RE 25M Litronic Railroad is not just another rail machine. It's a perfect blend of raw strength, precision engineering, and smart technology. Built specifically for rail construction and maintenance, this machine is designed to work where normal excavators simply can't. In 2026, Liebherr has pushed the limits even further, turning this already legendary machine into a true next-gen rail beast. What makes this machine so special is its ability to operate both on tracks and off them with total confidence. The rail guidance system allows it to move smoothly along railway lines while staying perfectly balanced. This means faster setup times, safer operations, and minimal disruption to rail traffic. For large railway projects, that alone makes the RE 25M a game-changer. Power is where the 2026 model truly shines. Liebherr's advanced Litronic system intelligently manages engine output, hydraulic flow, and fuel efficiency all at the same time. The result is massive digging and lifting power without wasting energy. Whether it's removing old sleepers, lifting heavy rail sections, or handling dense ballast, this machine does it effortlessly. Even under extreme workloads, performance remains smooth and consistent. One of the biggest upgrades for 2026 is precision control. The hydraulic system responds instantly to operator input, allowing ultrafine movements when working near active tracks or delicate rail components. This level of control is critical in rail environments where accuracy is everything. A few millimeters can make a huge difference, and the RE 25M handles that challenge with ease. Comfort and safety have also been taken to the next level. The operator cab is designed for long working hours with excellent visibility across the tracks and work zone. Advanced displays provide real-time machine data, rail alignment information, and system diagnostics. Everything the operator needs is right in front of them, reducing stress and improving productivity. For 2026, noise reduction and vibration control are also improved, making long shifts far less tiring. Durability is another area where Liebherr dominates. The RE 25M Litronic Railroad is built to survive harsh rail environments, extreme weather, and constant heavy loads. Reinforced structures, protected hydraulic lines, and high-quality steel components ensure this machine stays reliable even after years of intense use. For railway companies, this means less downtime and lower maintenance costs. Sustainability also plays a big role in the 2026 version. Improved engine efficiency and smarter power management help reduce fuel consumption and emissions. This makes the RE 25M more environmentally friendly while still delivering incredible performance. In an era where rail infrastructure is expanding worldwide, machines like this help keep projects both powerful and responsible. Versatility is another reason this machine stands out. With a wide range of attachments, the Liebherr RE 25M can handle tasks like rail lifting, sleeper replacement, ditch cleaning, and heavy material handling. One machine can replace multiple specialized units, saving time, money, and space on crowded job sites. In real-world railroad operations, speed and reliability are everything. Delays cost millions, and safety risks are never acceptable. That's why the Liebherr RE 25M Litronic Railroad 2026 is such a valuable asset. It delivers power when you need it, precision when it matters most, and reliability day after day. This machine represents the future of railway construction and maintenance. It's not just about moving earth or lifting steel. It's about building smarter, safer, and faster rail networks for the world ahead. Liebherr has once again proven why it's a leader in heavy machinery innovation. If you enjoy discovering mind-blowing machines like this, make sure to support Daily Drives by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. We bring you the most advanced vehicles, heavy equipment, and futuristic technology from around the globe. Drop a comment and tell us what you think about the Liebherr RE 25M Litronic Railroad 2026, and let us know which machine you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video on Daily Drives.